Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Pontiac Catalina two-door hardtop. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated, 1964 Pontiac Catalina, restoration completed in 2005, equipped with a 389 4-barrel, hydromatic transmission, factory air conditioning, power steering and brakes, newer radial tires with full disc wheel covers. And mileage is 106,268. And it sold for $29,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looking car. Don't see too many white ones with gold interior, but definitely was a nice contrast. And this car was part of the second generation of the Catalina, which went from 1961 through 1964. So it was actually the last year for it. And production numbers, it was a sales hit. They sold 257,768 Catalinas in 1964. And then for the full 4 years, 61 through 64, they sold 810,325. So it was definitely a sales hit for Pontiac. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Pontiac Catalina two-door coupe with 106,268 miles that was restored in 2005, had a 389 with a 4-barrel, a hydromatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and it sold for $29,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.